Hello, my name is Pepe Lam. Today I'll be giving a quick overview of one of the products of the IBM Data Resilience portfolio called Spectrum Copy Data Management. Spectrum Copy Data Management, or SCDM, is an in-place orchestration tool that manages snapshots and replications for heterogeneous storage environments. SCDM is a software solution that is deployed as a VM and uses hardware API to manage snapshots for multiple storage environments. In addition, it can also create application-aware snapshots of multiple applications. Spectrum Copy Data Management can also create clones for multiple use cases such as DR, reporting analytics, and DevOps. From the IBM perspective, SCDM supports IBM Flash systems, SVC, and Spectrum Virtualize. For non-IBM storages, it supports NetApp and Pure Storage. Application supports include Oracle, SQL, SAP HANA, Epic Cache, and Iris, and VMware. How does SCDM work? It utilizes hardware APIs to create snapshots, replicas, and clones of data. Then it keeps track of all the copies in its catalog. Since it has everything cataloged, it makes it easier to use the copies for different business purposes. It can map LUNs to any host that is specified in the Spectrum Copy Data Management UI, and it will also bring up the systems for the end user. For databases, SCDM will communicate with the database management system to spin up new databases. For VMware, SCDM will interact with the vCenter to bring up full VMs that are ready to use. It can automate the reuse, recovery of snapshots, and provide fresh copies on an ad hoc or scheduled basis. While the data is in use, if the end user decides that it needs to be pushed to production, Spectrum Copy Data Management can do that at the push of a button. For example, for VMware workloads, Spectrum Copy Data Management will perform storage vMotion to move the data to production data stores. If the user decides that they don't want to keep the copies anymore, Spectrum Copy Data Management can also gracefully clean up the copies for the user. Since everything is tracked in its catalog, CDM where the copies are located and automatically clean them up. For applications, SCDM will spin down the new restored system, unmount the copy from the host, and also delete the copy from the storage. Storage will reclaim the space from the deleted copies and in turn will decrease data sprawl. These are some of the new features that we have in Spectrum Copy Data Management version 2.2.16. What we've done is made some improvements for IBM storages by adding Spectrum Virtualized safeguarded copy support. Users can now create application-consistent immutable copies with the safeguarded copy support in Spectrum Copy Data Management. In addition, we've added additional application support. We've added Epic Iris support. Previously, we only supported Epic Cache, but now users who have Epic Iris workloads can utilize CDM for all the different copy workloads. There's also been a focus on cyber resilience. We've integrated a ransomware data scanning engine for Epic Cache and Iris workloads. Users can create immutable snapshots of their Epic and Cache databases and then utilize the ransomware detection scanning engine to detect any ransomware. The ransomware report will then be presented to the user using the Spectrum Copy Data Management user interface. And that concludes the overview of Spectrum Copy Data Management. Thank you for your time.